students. How are you? I hope you're all fine and healthy. Today, we are going to look at one important word. The word is genre. Genre. Genre.
Genre. Genre. Genre. Genre. Genre.
Genre. Genre. Genre.
Genre means a style, category, class, or group. Usually, genres are used to categorize art, music, or literature. Now, we are going to look at 6 genres of books: horror, science fiction, adventure, poetry, autobiography, folklore. Horror, science fiction, adventure, poetry, autobiography, folklore.
In literature, horror is a genre of fiction whose purpose is to create feelings of fear, dread, repulsion, and terror in the audience. In other words, it develops an atmosphere of horror. Science fiction is a genre of speculative fiction that typically deals with imaginative and futuristic concepts such as advanced science and technology, space exploration, time travel, parallel universes, and extraterrestrial life. The adventure genre consists of books where the protagonist goes on an epic journey, either personally or geographically. The adventure genre often pairs up with the action genre, since long epic journeys have a lot of action in them. Poetry is a type of literature or artistic writing that attempts to stir a reader's imagination or emotions. The poet does this by carefully choosing and arranging language for its meaning, sound, and rhythm. Some poems, such as nursery rhymes, are simple and humorous. Biography is a literary genre that portrays the experiences of all these events occurring in the life of a person, mostly in a chronological order. Unlike a resume or profile, a biography provides a life story of a subject, highlighting different aspects of his or her life. Simply put, a biography is the life history of an individual, written by someone else. An autobiography is the story of a person's life, written by that person. Folklore is the body of expressive culture, including stories, music, dance, legends, oral history, proverbs, jokes, popular beliefs, customs, and more within a particular people. This also includes the oral traditions of that culture, subculture, or group.
Well, that's it for today. Remember, always wear your mask when you go out there. Always wash your hands. Always use hand sanitizers when that's possible. Always keep 1 meter distance between people when you are out there. Right? Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next video.